friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I'm going to make Bihari style egg curry. You can see over here I have taken out the garlic. In this I mashed up the garlic and taken it out. Now I'm putting the green chili and this is ginger. This also I'll mash it in this and take it out. I hope you all will like this recipe. This will be very unique type. Friends, first of all I'll fry the eggs. I'm putting the salt. Putting the salt in the potatoes also. I will use potato also. Put some turmeric powder also. Even in the potatoes also. I will fry the eggs and the potatoes first and take it out. Friends, I'll make the egg curry in the mustard oil. First I'll fry the eggs. Let the oil turn hot first. Friends, the oil is turned hot. Now I'll put in the rice. This way I'll fry the eggs and then fry the potatoes. Friends, this I fried up. You can see the egg and the potatoes. Now this I will use for the foran here. Now I've taken 2 garlic. This also I will put in. So the oil is turned hot. In the same oil I will make the curry. So first I will put this in. Put in the garlic also. I will stir this a little bit. Over here I have taken 10 eggs. For 10 eggs I am using about 6 to 7 onions cut up like this. Now I will put this onion in. After putting this in, I will let the onion fry a little bit. Friends, now I will put in the garlic crushed up and the ginger and red green chili crushed up. This I will put in the onions along with it to fry. I will fry this a bit. Now I will use turmeric powder. Little bit chili powder just for the color. water. Friends, the masala won't get burnt, so I will use some tomatoes. I have chopped up tomatoes here. This also I will put in. Now I will let this masala fry nicely along with the onion. I will put a little bit water also because the tomato also has to cook. The masala won't get burnt. Friends, you can see the tomatoes are all mashed up. Now I will put some salt. This is the salt. The salt I put. Friends, now I will fry the onion and the tomato a little more. Friends, you can see the onion also is melted, the tomato is melted, everything is melted. Now I will put in the potatoes. The eggs also I will put in. This is roasted jeera powder. This I will put little bit. After this, I will add some water. This is the water. Mix it well. Friends, now I will add some chicken masala. This will give it a nice flavor. Friends, this is the chicken masala. This I am putting. Now I will cover this up and let the curry cook. Cover it up and let it cook. Friends, you can see Bihari style egg curry is ready. I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks for watching my video.